In the barnyard of Zuckerman's farm, the air was filled with the fragrance of hay and the murmur of animals. Nestled in the corner of the barn was a small piglet named Wilbur, who had just escaped a grim fate thanks to a girl named Fern. Fern had cared for Wilbur since he was a runt, and he became her beloved pet. However, as Wilbur grew, it was decided he should live on Zuckerman's farm. Sad and lonely, Wilbur longed for friendship. One fateful day, Wilbur heard a gentle voice. It belonged to Charlotte, a wise and kind gray spider who lived in the barn. Charlotte took an interest in Wilbur and promised to be his friend. She saw that without help, Wilbur's future on the farm was uncertain. Using her wit and incredible weaving skills, Charlotte crafted a plan to save Wilbur. Each night, Charlotte spun words into her web that praised Wilbur, such as some pig, terrific, and radiant. The miraculous webs attracted the attention of the townspeople, who marveled at the wonder in Zuckerman's barn. News spread quickly, making Wilbur famous and leading the Zuckermans to decide to keep him. Throughout the changing seasons, Charlotte and Wilbur's friendship flourished. He met other barn animals, like Templeton the rat, who loved sneaking bits of food, and the geese, who chatted endlessly. Wilbur's heart swelled with gratitude for Charlotte, whose kindness and intelligence had given him a chance at life.